Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by MacCustoms. Today we are doing some yard work. We're going to take advantage of the really nice day and we're going to work on the ditch here. The plan is to get it scooped out and to get this culvert put back in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. It helps us grow. Leave us a comment and be sure to like the video. You can see he's got a nice straight line dug out there, making his way to where the culvert's going to be. So the trailer there, he's just loading up the dump part, and we're going to take that up front to fill in a bunch of the low spots. So this project is really taking care of two issues that we have, so that's awesome. It'll be really nice once this is draining really good.
Hey guys, I got this all shoveled out. I'm going to come around with the bike and park here somewhere. Try and lower that into the hole right where it's nice and tight up against the culvert. Whoop!
I don't think we really wanted that to go down.
Too close. A lot of fucking weight in there, dude. Get the culvert out there.
We're gonna have to work with the situation, I guess.
It's heavy, a lot of mud in there.
There is, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's your thoughts here?
Whatever it takes. I'm just gonna try and jack it up and tip it off the jack down to the top of the hill, I think.
Is there you're just gonna drive it backwards?
Yeah.
We are now. It actually went smoother than I thought.
You're
Now
doing
the bike's
sweet.
not going to start.
Yeah, that went pretty good.
Is that basically what you were going for?
Yeah, pretty well. I'll put a piece of scrap or something over here so the dirt don't get in. And
It's just where they're two different style pipes, is it?
yeah, and this pipe's bent on the end it wasn't, I think I could probably get it in there, but
I drove over a few times for sure.
it was used Culvert that I got from scrap. And when I clear out the rest of this ditch, I'll dump this in the front yard and I'll just shovel that stuff in here.
Just to cover that over.
Just to cover the culvert, yeah.
That's gonna look good.
Found this piece of scrap from a barrel I had on the stove. Mint.
We're not going for fancy, we're going for functional. Alright guys, there's the progress that we're making on getting that culvert covered over. You can see the piece of metal that we found out front and used to cover the gap. And he's just widening the ditch up top, taking it over to here and filling it in. It's gonna look really good.
My pin come out on this side. Yeah.
Oh, that's where your pin popped out, was it?
Yeah. That's good.
Well, not a win, are we?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Alright guys, well thanks for stopping by MacCustoms and we'll catch you in the next video.